feels good. Yeah. What's going on, peeps? We are, it's just me and Winter today. We heading to the beach by ourselves. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
So we are on our way right now. I shouldn't be doing this, but I mean, I'm on a road where nobody's driving. Either way, I shouldn't be doing this. Y'all will be all right. But yeah, we heading to the beach right outside the base, so we don't gotta take that long walk that we did last time. It's just me and her, like I said, so we're gonna have a good time. Are you ready to get out
Ready to get out.
and go to the beach?
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Oh, I know y'all see a little beard coming through. Hold on, let me get a little brush for y'all. Brush that down. Look at that. It's coming through. You got a boo-boo?
On my finger.
On your fingers, you got a boo-boo? I know y'all see the little. It's coming through, man. Just give me a little bit. Just give me a little bit. Oh, wrong way. Yeah.
That's it, Daddy.
We are. There's the base right that way. We're at Bonita Bay. Coming to the base. She don't want to get in the water. You got to get in the water, baby. Come on. Let's walk in the water. Come on. There you go. Good job. It's just the water. It's not gonna bother you. You wanted to come to the beach.
Help me.
Help you. I got you. Does it feel good on your feet? Yeah. It's 8 in the morning. We had to come out here before it started getting hot and humid. Well, it's not as humid as it has been, but it's not as hot either. It feels good out here. She's still talking about hold her. I don't know why she be acting so scary. It's a nice view. We're in the bay right here, so. Who's in there, baby? You see the crab right there? Okay, well, come right here. He's just trying to get by us. There was a crab on the ground. Who you holding? Are you holding a crab, a hermit crab? It's not by us no more, baby. Oh, she just dropped it. All right. Say good morning. I'm at the beach.
At the beach.
Don't throw your seashells, baby. Okay. doing, Poopa? You gonna get a crab, a hermit crab? No? They're in all the seashells that we keep finding. They're taking all the seashells from us. Winter's the only person that wants to come to the beach, not get sandy, wants to get in the water but doesn't want to get wet. She's the only person. She's having a good time though. She tried to get me to go way out there. She kept talking about, let's go. I was like, nah, I can't see out there. We ain't walking that far, baby. What you doing? You peeing? No? Okay. That's your seashell? Actually, water's super warm. I thought it was gonna be a little cold because it was cold the last time we went out. Look at this big old boy. I just seen him walking. I think this is the one we picked up earlier. But he's in there. I don't know. You can see him a little bit. Either way. You see this one? You want to see the hermit crab in there? He's in there. I can feel him moving. He's hiding. You see? You don't like it? Okay, Daddy, sorry. I put it down, girl. Relax. Yeah, you don't like the crab? You don't like it? Okay. So we had a good little time at the beach. Did you have fun? Yeah. You're cold? All she wanted to do was sit by me, put sand all over me, and pick up little hermit crabs. They're a little rough. So that's it, but we're gonna go home. We'll probably do this once a week, Friday when I don't have to work. So we'll just come out early in the morning and have fun at the beach. So bye-bye. Yeah, she had fun at the beach. Talk to y'all later.